everyone, John here at E.C.D Automotive Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I wanted to go over the highlights of the month of June and the vehicles that were built during that month. We started off with Project Matte Whip, which is an amazing Range Rover Classic two-door and a beautiful brown exterior with light tan interior. A lot of accents and detail that went into this car inside. It makes it look really special and one of a kind. Then we have Project Green Go, which is a Defender 110 soft top in British Racing Green. Has a dark, rich tan interior, perhaps a little bit more subtle, traditional wolf wheels in black, but the car looks absolutely stunning. Then on a completely different direction, we have Project Simon Says, which is a more modern Defender 110 with a wide body kit, a black and white two-tone exterior. It looks absolutely amazing, as well as a two-tone red and black interior, digital gauges, as well as other exclusive amenities and options that the client chose. And lastly, we have Project Uncompagre, which is a Defender 110 soft top in Kesset Green. Has traditional decals on the side that look absolutely beautiful with the cotton white wheels and the tan soft top. Inside the vehicle, we have some wood accents in the steering wheel and the cargo area paneling, Recaro seats, and many more amenities, of course, that made it a really special truck. So definitely in the month of June, we had an incredible variety of trucks, and of course, you can check them out on our showcase at ECDAutodesign.com. And also this month, we're sharing a couple of interesting articles, one on how E.C.D builds a Defender that feels like a private jet, and another one on what sets a custom E-Type apart from stock Jaguars. Now, don't forget to check out our highlight video of the month where we showcase our E-Type GTO riding around the coastline of California. Incredible shots, amazing sound. I'm sure that you'll enjoy it. Now, also in the GTO this month, we have two amazing articles from Forbes and Motor Trend giving you a little bit more of the highlights on how incredible this vehicle is. Now, to get more information about these articles, please visit our E.C.D Impress section on our website. And don't forget to check out our Mustang and Defender configurators, where you can play with all kinds of elements for the vehicles and make it your own. And of course, don't forget to follow us through all of our social media platforms and stay connected with all the new and exciting things that we got going on here at E.C.D. Bye for now.